Okay, now again projectile motion, but we'll do now part 4. We'll do part 4. We'll go to part 4. This is part 4. In part 4, you're gonna study the relationship between the range of the projectile and the angle of projection. Okay, so we'll change the angle, and for each angle we'll measure the range, because actually there is a relationship between them. We can deduce this relationship between the range and the angle from the equation of motions. We can combine them together and take one in terms of the other, and then we can get finally the range is given by v naught squared sine 2 theta divided by g. So as you see in this equation, r, if we keep v naught constant, the gravity as you know constant, but we change the angle, and for each angle we'll measure r, so you'll see there is a relationship between r and theta according to this equation. So now we'll change the angle theta, and for each theta we'll measure r, and then we can use the relationship between r and theta or sine theta to find the gravity. Okay, so the height we'll keep it constant as mentioned here, h0. We'll start by an angle equal to 25 degrees, and the initial velocity constant we'll keep it at 20. Okay, and then we'll change the angle as shown in the table here. For each angle, طبعا the velocity constant equal to 20, the angle will change it. For each angle we'll measure r, and we can easily calculate sine 2 theta. Okay, so I'll go and follow this link again. Control click, you will get the window, the fit window, and then click on lab. Click on lab now. Double click on lab. Height is 0, initial velocity keep it at 20, start by an angle equal to 25, make it slow motion. Okay, no air resistance, this will not act. Cannonball or human. Okay, any shape you want, and then just remove this one and throw the ball. Throw the ball. Okay, now I'll measure the range. Choose this one. I cannot use this one to measure the range. Okay, so I'll use this. This is an approximate value. This one shows you an approximate value. I can make this one small. Click on plus negative size at the left upper corner, make it less, and then now we can use the meter controller and the range to measure the range. Okay, so the range now 31.24 for an angle of 25. Record it 31.4, record it here. Okay, now back, change the angle to 30. This is the next angle, 30. Okay, throw the ball and measure the range again. This is the range again, 35.31. Record it here. Where is 30 degrees? Record the range. Okay, and you will continue do this same as written in the lab report. Now 35. Through the ball, measure the range. This is the range. Okay, 38.32, and continue. I will not do all things for you. Okay, 30, 40. Now the angle will be 40. Throw the ball, measure the range. This is the range. Then the angle will be 45. Okay, through the ball, and measure the range, record it, The angle will be 50. Throw the ball. Measure, and so on. Okay, you will find that at 45 degree is the maximum range, and the range will decreases again, okay, when the angle increases more and more, and you will find, or you will measure different ranges with different angles. See, okay, according to table 3, and then record the range in the table. Once you finish filling the table, calculate sine 2 theta. Cause the relationship as mentioned here, r equal v naught squared over g sine 2 theta. So there is a direct relationship between r and sine 2 theta if you keep v naught constant. We kept v naught constant in this part, so calculate sine 2 theta, go to Excel software, and draw the relationship between r along the y-axis and sine 2 theta along the x-axis. So insert sine 2 theta values in column A on Excel, R on column B, and then display the equation of the chart. Then get the equation. The slope of the equation is actually v naught squared over g. Calculate g from the slope and then find the percentage error, and don't forget to attach the graph to your worksheet. Okay, then you can easily answer these questions. Read them well and answer them. If you need extra space, you can make extra space or attach another paper. Okay guys, now this experiment, the projectile motion experiment, finished, and you can watch the 4 videos, each one for each part, and then do them, answer the questions, write your comments, do the Excel, find the unknowns or find the requested values like the gravity, attach them together in one worksheet, and then submit it. Okay guys, thank you very much, and see you again. I hope I will see you.